In this video, you will learn how to start a Printify business. First, go to the Printify website and create a free account. Then, choose an e-commerce platform, such as Shopify, Etsy or WooCommerce. For example, sign up for Shopify at the Shopify website and set up your store. Then, connect Printify to your store. Install the Printify app on your chosen platform, e.g. Shopify, to connect it to your account. After that, choose a product. This product could be t-shirts, mugs or more from Printify's catalogue. Upload your design and customize the product. Then, set your price. Write a product description and set your price. Organize the products into collections for easy navigation. Set up your store, setting up a payment and shipping settings in your store. Then, do a test order to make sure everything works properly. Share your store on social media, or you can run ads to attract new customers. Fulfill orders. When a customer orders, Printify will automatically ship and print your product just for you. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.